Ashy Mommy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my nightly skincare routine. I am so excited to show you guys this because this is a new thing that I've been doing consistently. I feel like I have been trying to focus more on self-care. So if you are a mom, this is so relaxing and I highly recommend doing this for yourself. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into it. So the first thing that I like to do, I usually like to take a shower beforehand. Doesn't happen every single time, but I did just take a shower and I rub my skin in the shower with some soap. And then now that I'm officially out of the shower, I'm going to use a toner. And this is the toner that I like to use, the Witch Hazel. And I will use it with just a regular cotton ball. So I'm just going to show you guys. I just go all over the place and just get as much dirt off as I can. And that's basically how I start. Then the next thing that I do is I put together my mask. So that is the next step. So we're gonna jump into that. So this is how I make my clay. I follow the basic directions on the bentonite clay. This is the clay that I use. And this is the apple cider vinegar that I use. And it says 1 part clay and 2 parts apple cider vinegar. So, and I'm doing this one-handed, so forgive me if it's a little shaky. So I start off with, 1 scoop of clay. And then I do 2 tablespoons. The other thing you want to make sure is when you're doing this, you have to use glass or plastic because of the fact that if there's metal, it interferes with something with the process. It says it on there with the bentonite clay. So all I do is mix it around with my fingers. Show you like this. And you see that it's a little thick. So what I do is I add a little bit more into the mixture. And then you're gonna, just mix this until it's like a pasty clay. So it should look something like this. And then you're gonna go ahead and put this all over your face. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it and just kind of show you guys where I put it. But basically everywhere that you possibly can. So now that you have it all over and you look like a monster, then you're gonna wait it out for, I like to wait about 15-20 minutes. I wait for it to harden all over my face and then I will show you how I look after. Okay, so I kept this on for way too long. So I wanted to show you guys, if you keep it on for way too long, you just end up looking like a crazy person and you have like a facelift. So I'm gonna go ahead and scrub this off and I'll be right back. So my face gets like really blotchy looking after. I don't know if you guys can like see a close-up of how, just like this area especially. But this is normal for me whenever I've used the clay mask. And the other thing I was going to mention is the first time I used it, my eyes really burned, and I know it's from the apple cider vinegar. But over time, I don't really even, it doesn't bother me anymore. So that's one heads up in case you're going to use that. just to be aware if your eyes start to burn. That was normal for me in the beginning and it's fine now, works great for me. So I wanted to show you guys, you can use any serum or any type of moisturizer for the next step here. But I personally love using Primally Pure. I use their plumping serum at night. And then I've also used their beauty cream. It's a non-toxic, all-natural ingredients, and I absolutely love the company. All their products smell amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the plumping serum. I usually put, like it says here, it says 4 to 8 drops. So that's basically what I do. I do just like this. That's what I do. So I look crazy right now. But what I do is, oh, and it smells so good, is I just like massage my face and get my skin just ready for the gua sha stone that we're gonna be using. It feels so good. I never, ever, ever, ever do this. So it feels so relaxing after the clay mask, because it just feels like your skin is just like ready. So do this all over the place. Now it is time for the gua sha stone. And if you don't know what a gua sha stone is, you're missing out. This helps with circulation in your face and just lymphatic drainage, and it is really relaxing because it also helps with like acupressure and just all those areas in your face that have a lot of muscle tension, which I carry a lot of it throughout the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and start and show you guys how it looks like. So we start on our neck, and you are going to just work your way up, and you go about 5 times. Also, these areas are ridges for different parts of your body, whatever parts you're going to use it for. So this is, since this area is flat, I use the flat side. This area here, very, very soft like a feather. 5 times. Now I'm going to do my other side here, and I just start at my shoulder. So now that you've done your neck, you're going to move up to your jaw, which of course is, I clench my teeth at night and I grind my teeth, so this area feels so great. So I'm going to go ahead and start here, and you want to hold this part here and make sure you go all throughout those muscles. Stop here. And again, you use this part here. All right, so now we're going to work our way up to, we're just going to go all the way here and go over our lips. Now I'm going to do under my eye, which I like to use this part of it, but you can use whatever feels comfortable for you. You go very lightly. All right, this part here is my favorite. The other thing I want to mention is on your temples, pressing with this feels so relaxing too. But this part is my favorite because I literally carry, I feel like all my stress like right here. So I use this part here, and I literally hold right here and go all the way across. and it feels so nice. Okay. So now that you are all the way up here at your eyebrows, you want to use this part here and just swipe up on your forehead. The other thing, these ridges here are for like fine lines, and I'm definitely getting them now that I'm officially in my 30s. I've noticed them, so I like to use these like right here. You don't have to put too much pressure, but it's nice to start getting that blood flow to that area. Just like to pull it a little bit too. And then I also like to do it across here. Okay, so the final step here is you're going to do like a long sweep down to just kind of get everything kind of flowing out. So you, flat side is what I do. I just go on one side all the way down. And I'll just do like a few times. But you can tweak this, you can just make it what you want out of it. And the whole point is to make sure that you are taking care of those areas of tension and you're circulating the blood and getting that lymphatic drainage. You have a lot of lymph nodes in this area. All right, so that is it. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will be putting a ton more videos of just health, wellness tips, non-toxic tips, all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned. Thank you guys.